So what I'm going to start off doing today is a salad bowl. I make these every year. Nice size little container, wheels drilled in bottom. And basically we're just going to fill this with compost, leave about an inch at the top, and then we're going to broadcast lots of lettuce seed. But the lettuce leaf, they're not hearted lettuces. So something like Oatland green or green salad bowl, red salad bowl, you can just mix them up if you want, different coloured types of lettuce. But the idea of this is we just let them grow and then we take off the outer leaves as they grow for salads. You could pop this in your kitchen window if you've got a sunny window and it'll grow perfectly fine. I did these last year and I also did some dwarf cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes actually only grew to about a foot tall. So you could pop them in a pot on your windowsill next to your salad bowl and you get these little tiny cherry tomatoes off this plant. Then pick a couple of leaves off the salad bowl next to it and it worked out really good. So I'm just going to make a start on this by filling it with some multi-purpose compost. It's nice to see sun out again. Bit of warmth on your face. Yesterday weren't too good, raining. Little cool, but dropped really cool last night as well. But today, 1st of March, what we've all been waiting for. So I'm just going to fill this, and then I'm just going to level the top off a little bit like that. And then we're just going to flatten it down to make a nice even bed for seeds. Because they are lettuce seeds, they're quite small, so we want to make sure that they actually go where we're trying to put them. So I'm just using this just to make a level around. At least I know all the seeds are in one level when I do this. You don't need to be this particular. I've just got like seed sowing OCD or something like that, I don't know. So that's fine. So there you can see we've got a nice level bed. And then we're going to give it a good watering. Nice big watering, as always, let it settle down. The seeds that I'm using are salad bowl green, but as I said, there's also a salad bowl red. You can use any type that you want that is an actual leaf lettuce. If you've grown these before yourself, just drop me a comment, let me know how you went on. We seemed to do really well on them last year. I had about 4 or 5 on the go in different varieties of lettuce. So we'd always got something different to pick. And although you won't think it now, in just a few weeks' time, you'll be looking for a nice bit of fresh salad. So we've let that settle down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take quite a few lettuce seeds, because obviously they're all going to be multi-sown. So we're going to put quite a lot of seeds on top of here. And we're just going to broadcast them like this. Just randomly. There's no particular order. Just get as even a covering over as you can. But don't completely fill the entire top, you don't want to do that. We all know some will germinate, some won't. But you're putting so many seeds on the top of here, you're still going to get a really good amount of germination. I think that's plenty in there. So we're going to pop these seeds back in. Any that stick to your hand, flick them over the top. Now we've done that bit, we're going to give it a light covering. Because I know that when you sow seeds like this amount in one area, it does have an habit of trying to lift all the soil up in one clump. Then everything becomes really messy. So the way to get around this is to put a very light covering over the top. So I'm using this because I can see the point where the seeds are covered, because it's putting such a light coating of compost over the top. And the moment the seeds are completely buried, I know, and then we can leave it. Then those seedlings are going to push through really easily. So there we go, that's enough on that. Then we're just going to give it a bit of a water. Be careful when you do this stage that you don't blast the soil everywhere, or else you could end up with seeds on all one side of the pot. It's not what we're looking for. We're looking for an even germination around the whole top to make us a nice bunch of lettuce leaf. That's had plenty. And then again, as always, you don't have to do this bit if you don't want to, but I always like to put a bit of cling film over the top, just to lock in some of this moisture while these seeds are germinating. Salad seeds germinate quite quickly, and as soon as they do, you need to take this off. So I'm just going to pop that like that over the top, making a little propagator out of this tub. And then that's all we need to do. So it's all been covered over. I'm now just going to leave it somewhere warm for the seeds to germinate. Thanks for watching this video once again, and if you want to see any more as we go through growing season, just hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.